Imagine closing your eyes tonight and feeling your body sink into your bed with ease, your mind finally quieting, and your muscles relaxing as if time has reversed. Imagine waking up in the morning feeling energized, alert, and light on your feet, almost as if you've stepped back into your 30s. For many people over 50, this feels impossible. They struggle with falling asleep, staying asleep, or waking up feeling refreshed. It isn't because their body has given up, it's because modern habits, stress, and subtle lifestyle factors quietly sabotage the body's natural sleep rhythm over time. Tonight, I want to show you exactly how to reclaim the deep, restorative sleep that restores vitality, sharpness, and youthfulness without expensive supplements, complicated routines, or extreme lifestyle changes. Let's start by looking at the contrast. Picture two people in their late 50s. One spends evenings scrolling on their phone, drinking coffee in the afternoon, and having dinner at irregular times. They toss and turn, wake up multiple times at night, and start the day groggy, reaching for caffeine to compensate. The other follows a few simple, research-backed habits: dimmed lights, gentle movement, optimal temperature, and a calm mind. They fall asleep effortlessly, sleep deeply, and wake up rejuvenated. Over time, this person not only feels younger but may actually look and perform years younger. The difference isn't magic, it's science. The first critical factor is your bedroom environment, a detail often underestimated. Temperature, light, and sound can either nurture your sleep or disrupt it. Research shows the ideal sleep temperature for adults over 50 is cooler than most people prefer, around 66 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit. As we age, our bodies produce less melatonin and regulate temperature less efficiently. A cooler bedroom signals the body that it's time to transition into deep sleep, encouraging restorative slow-wave cycles that repair tissues, strengthen memory, and balance hormones. Lighting plays a powerful role as well. Blue light from phones, tablets, and televisions suppresses melatonin, delaying sleep onset and shortening deep sleep duration. Dim your lights an hour before bed and avoid screens entirely if possible. If necessary, use warm lamps or night mode filters, blackout curtains, or a sleep mask block. Subtle light that your aging eyes might detect even unconsciously. The goal is to create an environment where your body knows it's safe and time to rest deeply. Sound also matters. While some older adults prefer complete silence, others benefit from gentle background noise. A fan, soft classical music, or nature sounds can mask unpredictable noises that disrupt deep sleep. Even minor disturbances like the creak of a door or distant traffic can pull you from restorative sleep without you realizing it. Creating a calm, predictable environment sets the stage for your nervous system to enter parasympathetic mode, the state your body naturally adopts to repair, restore, and rejuvenate overnight. Step 2 focuses on your pre-sleep routine, especially important for adults 50-70. Contrast this with the habits most people follow: crashing on the couch after dinner, scrolling endlessly, or consuming heavy meals. These habits activate the stress response and raise cortisol, making deep sleep elusive. Instead, incorporate a pre-sleep ritual that gently signals relaxation. Begin with light stretching or a brief walk. Focus on releasing tension in the shoulders, hips, and back areas where stress and age-related stiffness accumulate. Pair this with slow, deep diaphragmatic breathing. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 4, exhale for 6. This lowers heart rate, relaxes the mind, and increases melatonin naturally. Nutrition timing also matters. Many older adults eat heavy meals late in the evening, often with carbohydrates that spike blood sugar. This elevates insulin and can trigger wakefulness hours later. Instead, opt for a light, protein-rich snack like Greek yogurt with nuts or cottage cheese with berries. These foods provide tryptophan, an amino acid critical for serotonin and melatonin production. A warm cup of herbal tea, such as chamomile or valerian root, can further calm the nervous system and reinforce the routine of winding down. Hydration is subtle but important. Drinking large amounts of water right before bed leads to interrupted sleep due to bathroom trips. Instead, hydrate steadily throughout the day and limit fluids an hour before bedtime. This allows uninterrupted rest, crucial for adults over 50 whose bodies may already struggle with sleep fragmentation. Step 3 is preparing your mind. Your thoughts before sleep directly influence your ability to fall into deep restorative cycles. Negative thoughts, worry, or ruminating about the day spike cortisol and keep you alert. Contrast this with a simple 5-minute routine that primes your brain for relaxation. Journaling gratitude, reflecting on accomplishments, or visualizing a peaceful scene activates the parasympathetic nervous system. This gentle mental shift is like planting seeds of calm and relaxation, ensuring your brain and body move into the restorative phases of sleep naturally. Step 4 is strategic breathing and relaxation techniques designed for adults over 50. As we age, our autonomic nervous system may become more sensitive to stress, keeping cortisol elevated. Deep diaphragmatic breathing, combined with progressive muscle relaxation, can counteract this. Start with a breathing pattern. Inhale through the nose for 4 counts, hold for 4, exhale through the mouth for 6 counts. At the same time, progressively release tension from your toes up through your legs, hips, abdomen, chest, arms, and shoulders. This combination reduces nervous system overactivity, allowing sleep hormones to rise and restorative sleep to take over. Another often overlooked factor is circadian alignment. Older adults often experience shifts in their internal clocks, feeling sleepy earlier or waking too early. Aligning your sleep with natural rhythms enhances restorative sleep. Aim for a consistent bedtime and wake time, even on weekends. Exposure to morning sunlight after waking supports melatonin production the next night, while dimming lights in the evening reinforces the body's natural cues. Finally, consider subtle environmental or sensory enhancements. Lavender essential oil, a gentle fan for white noise, or weighted blankets can provide comfort and security. Research shows older adults respond particularly well to sensory cues that mimic feelings of safety and warmth, helping them enter deeper sleep phases more readily. By combining a cool, quiet, and dimly lit bedroom, a gentle pre-sleep routine with stretching and breathing, proper light and hydration timing, mental priming, and circadian alignment, you create a powerful sleep environment tailored for adults over 50. Contrast this with the common approach of inconsistent routines, late-night screen time, heavy meals, and reactive habits. The difference is night and day, fragmented, shallow sleep versus restorative, youth-renewing rest. These simple but highly effective steps don't require expensive supplements, extreme routines, or complicated instructions. They are science-backed, age-appropriate, and specifically designed to counteract the natural changes in sleep patterns that occur after 50. Implementing even 2 or 3 of these strategies consistently can transform the quality of your sleep, improving energy, mood, focus, and physical recovery. Step 5 focuses on evening movement and gentle stimulation designed to prepare your body for restorative sleep. Contrast this with most evening routines, where people either remain sedentary or overexert themselves late at night. Both extremes disrupt sleep. For adults over 50, light stretching, yoga, or a short mindful walk in the evening helps relieve tension accumulated during the day, improves circulation, and encourages your nervous system to shift into parasympathetic mode. Target key areas prone to stiffness: shoulders, neck, hips, and lower back. Moving with intention, rather than speed, signals to your body that the day is ending and prepares your muscles for deep relaxation. Next, let's explore the timing of mental activity and stimulation. Reading, listening to soothing music, or meditative audio before bed helps the mind unwind. Avoid emotionally charged TV shows, news, or social media scrolling, which spike cortisol and delay sleep onset. Studies show older adults who limit high-intensity mental stimulation an hour before sleep experience faster sleep onset and longer periods of deep sleep. A short session of mindful meditation or progressive muscle relaxation reinforces this, helping your body produce melatonin naturally. Another subtle but powerful tip is temperature contrast in your pre-sleep routine. Taking a warm shower or bath about 90 minutes before bedtime, followed by cooling off slightly before getting into bed, can enhance the body's natural temperature drop, which signals sleep readiness. For adults over 50, this temperature cue can dramatically improve sleep depth and duration, helping you feel more rejuvenated. In the morning, finally, incorporate strategic light exposure to reinforce your circadian rhythm. During the day, expose yourself to bright natural light, especially in the morning, to strengthen your internal clock. In the evening, keep lights dim and avoid blue light. This contrast between bright daytime exposure and dim evening cues ensures your body produces melatonin at the optimal time, improving both sleep quality and duration. By combining environment optimization, gentle movement, strategic mental priming, temperature management, and light contrast, you create a holistic evening routine that allows adults over 50 to sleep deeply, restore energy, and wake feeling decades younger. Implement these steps consistently, and you'll notice your sleep improving night after night, helping you feel as if you've turned back the clock on aging.